I've been wanting to get a new tabletop fire pit for a while now. So luckily I got this tabletop fire pit sent to me from BiggerFire to make a video about. The nice thing about this little tabletop fire pit is it puts a really big flame out. You see the size of that flame right there. This would be perfect here if you wanted just to get nice and warm and toasty at your table. You could also get a stick here and you could roast a marshmallow or a hot dog or something like that. This is about the size of the sticks that I put in there. You could put sticks in here or you could put pellets in there. You just put your little sticks in there like that. And it gets your little fire going. It looks like it circulates all around. It's got the air in here and then it puts out that really nice big flame out of the top there. So yeah, that's why they call it BiggerFire, because look at the size of that fire. For such a little fire pit, that sure does put out a big fire. Yeah, this thing's pretty nice. You can see all that air goes in those vents there, and then it creates that nice spiral there. Looks really nice. See all the wood inside of there burning. Here's everything you get in the box here. You get the fire pit right there. It's a nice metal can there. It's got a nice grate in there. It's got some vents on it. This is the green one. This got a nice brushed metal there. Then you get the base. You got your black metal base there. And then here's all the parts you get. You get the feet there, the connector, and then you get this pin there to connect it. And then you also get this piece right here. And then it comes with a screwdriver too. Has a nice bag here, nice felt bag with the BiggerFire logo on there. And then it's got the instructions here on how to put it all together. That's how you screw the base in there. And then that's the lid right there. So this would be the lid right here. So you can see how it's going to look there. All right, I'll just put this together real quick. So here's how this will look here. You'll have this triangle piece in here like that, and then you put all your screws in there and your washers in there. And so you got your feet on here, and then you'll take this screw and put it on the bottom there, and then you'll be able to attach it here. I think with that little space there, that would go on last, and then you could push the metal out there to line it up. So then it's all lined up in there, and it is pretty snug. But just to make sure it doesn't fall apart there, you can just put this little screw in there. I'll shine the light in there so you can see. Just make sure that screw lines up in the center right there. And then you can just tighten it up here. So now it's all secure, and then this will stay on until you're ready to take it off. And then we just put our little lid on there. And then we're all ready to go. We can put some sticks in here, some wood in here, some firewood or some pellets, and then we'll be all set. And then when we're done, after it cools off, we can put it in this nice little bag here. I got the fire pit loaded up with some paper and some little sticks there. Just gonna go ahead and light it up here. Now that it's going there, I got the lid on so you can see, look at that fire. This sure is a BiggerFire. That's what it says on there, BiggerFire there. Sure is going, look at that. Yeah, this is a really nice fire pit. It's got the vents in here to let the air in, so it puts out a really nice fire. So yeah, this little BiggerFire fire pit's pretty nice. Yeah, this little fire pit's great for a tabletop here. This would also be nice to take camping with you. You could take it in your backpack. And then when you get camping, you could just collect your wood there, your little sticks and stuff for the fire. So you'd have a nice little compact fire there. You can use it to keep warm, or you could use it to cook on too. So yeah, this thing's pretty versatile. And it looks really nice too.